I'm out here in Miami right now. I don't live in Miami. I caught a flight down here to come to the studio right now. Stepping outside the comfort zone. I came down here to meet a guy who I met off the internet. You know what I mean?
Headed to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
Okay, so you shy and you never done business before. You scared to invest it. You got the money to invest, but you just scared. You kind of shy. You really ain't a people person. You don't talk a lot, all of that, right? Well, let me tell you this. I'm shy too. Honestly, and a lot of times I don't even want to do a lot of the things that I have to do. Look, let me just tell y'all a little something right now. I'm out here in Miami right now. I don't live in Miami. I caught a flight down here to come to the studio right now. Stepping outside the comfort zone. I came down here to meet a guy who I met off the internet. You know what I mean? I came down here to meet a dude who I met off the internet. And we built a relationship, and now we do business all the time together. We're business partners now, right? But that's me stepping outside my comfort zone. You know why I did that, though? Even as a shy kid? Know what I mean? You know why I still did it? It's because I realized that I'm never going to get what I've never gotten by doing the same thing over and over again. Like, if you want something different, you got to do something different. You know what I mean? So it's like, if you going to say, I mean, I got the money, but I just never done that before, and I'm nervous because I ain't no people person. If you going to let that stop you, then you don't want the bag. You know what I mean? You got to do something different when you want that bag, dog. I promise you that. You can't get the bag, keep doing the same thing that you've been doing this whole time. You know what I mean? You keep doing that, you're going to keep getting what you always got, dog. So you got to step outside that comfort zone and stop blaming it on shy and scared. If you're going to let shy and scared hold you back, get from around me. Don't even look at my videos no more. You banned. You know what I mean? You banned, dog. You ain't even, no, get from over here with that. Ain't no I'm an introvert. Bill Gates is an introvert. He a billionaire too by talking to a lot of people. You know what I mean? That's why they look so awkward in their interviews. You know what I mean? Elon Musk. All of these famous entrepreneurs, Mark Zuckerberg. Look how awkward he looks when he's doing interviews and stuff. You don't think he's an introvert too? But it don't matter though. When you want that bag bad enough, when you want to build that business bad enough, when you want your freedom bad enough, you will figure out a way to face your fears and get out there. And I don't care if you got anxiety, because I do too. You know what I mean? I don't care what it is, but you just got to face that fears and just go after it. And then as far as how to do it, but AJ, I don't know how to do it. But guess what? I do. Ask me. You know what I mean? Ask me. And I have products available online. I have a cleaner business starter kit that comes with all the equipment. We're going to ship it to you. So you ain't got to guess, well, what am I supposed to use to clean with? I'm going to ship it to you. You know what I mean? I got a course that comes with it, with every single thing in the curriculum. How to find the customers. What to say when you're looking for the customers, right? How to build a customer. How to do your books and get your bookkeeping in order, right? Get your accounting in order and all of that. How to create a website, because you can't afford to buy a website. I'm going to show you how to make one then. You know what I mean? Like, anything you can think of is going to be covered in that course. We got a support group to go with it too. So they know I don't know how. No, what you need to know how to do is stop making damn excuses and take some action. That's what you need to know how to do. Like, what you mean you don't know how? What you mean you scared? We all scared. You gonna be scared when you're doing something you ain't never done before. You know what I mean? But you just got to do it anyway. Why? Because you want it that bad. And if you can't figure out a way to push yourself past the shyness, past the I ain't sure if I'm going to get my money back, past the doubt, the fear, the all of that, if you can't push yourself past that, then you weren't meant to be great. You don't want it bad enough. You need to push and do things that you've never done before. If you're not nervous or scared when you do something like this, that means you ain't doing it big enough. I'm scared every time I do something new, right? But I do it anyway. We figure it out. And guess what? It ain't going to always be successful the first time either. But guess what it is going to be? A lesson that you learn from to get better every single time you try something new, right? So that's how I apply to that. If you scared, if you shy, if you nervous, I don't know if I'm going to get my money back, if you uncertain, you got to face all of that. You got to fight through that. And remember this too, man. Life is long. So what if you put your money into something and it's like, dang, I lost the money. I put my money into this cleaning company. I did get a contract, but I lost the contract. I'm out of business now. No, you're not. You out of a contract. You're not out of business. Go get another one. And get 2 this time in case one leave, you still got another one, right? Get 5, get 10, get more, do more, go harder. Quitting is never an option. The only way to fail is to quit. It's as simple as that. It's impossible to lose if you just don't stop. I promise you that.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it, let's go.